Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix auto brightness not working on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. First, what we're going to do is we're going to open up the settings, and in the settings go to display and brightness. Now here, we're going to disable and enable adaptive brightness in the settings. What we're going to do next is we're going to clean the ambient light sensor near the front camera. So we're just going to quickly clean our camera. As you guys can see, the brightness is dropping pretty normal. Now whenever we uncover it, it will go up. And what are we going to do next is we're going to go over and restart the phone to refresh the sensors if it's not working for you. So hold the only power button, tap restart, and tap again to restart the phone. As you guys can see, we saw the TECNO mobile logo. That means our phone is turning off and turning back on. So it's restarting and refreshing our system. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and update our softwares as a last resort. So we're going to open up settings. In the settings, we're just going to open them and scroll all the way down until we see system right at the bottom. Here we click on system update, and we want to make sure that we are on the latest version whenever we click on the online update. So here we click on online update. We want to make sure that we are on the latest version, as you guys can see, just like this. And if you're not on the latest version, make sure that you are. It's very important because it can fix a lot of glitches, including your auto brightness not working properly. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.